Where the world boss say Gaza Nation, the man say him left a mark on dancehall like the Bible. What the fuck? Hear me I say. We love money, vybz kartel, squashman, chronicler, shabdon. Hey, yo, what the fuck sweet shabdon? Yo, the man start out the ear, a drop loud explosion, maintain himself in the niggle of the ear. And in at the end of the ear, the man a come with a bang again. Yo, Shabdon, him not easy. A high grade him smoke, him no bun beady. We Shabdon have dancehall underneath. A full blast rev. No wonder why the dog crash what here, yeah. What? At the world, it's not a plan. Hey, yo, watch you are going, you know. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know it go already when I come to represent, you know. You know a full effect thing, you know. Know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. You know a loud explosion boat, yeah. Hear me, man? Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. We love money. You couldn't get it any better than that. Gaza Nation. Make you touch the road with the clip them load.
Hello.
You're welcome. Outside body in a Gaza Nation. It's real cool. And I know a lollipop thing. But you don't know, so we're a concrete step up. So anywhere at all we step, from it shake it off a broke off. Watch me, man. Yo. You not see. Say what me that tell you no. Say, no, gimmicks business. You not see your squash man flow. I not tell you no say effortlessly him do it. Him have a one of a kind vybz sing business. I not tell you no that. Eh? Effortlessly the man do it. You know what I mean? The song overboard. Right now the song too bad and the amount of lyrics in the song it could have made 3 more songs. I don't even know gimmicks business. I not exaggerate. Listen to the man them thing no man. I want me to no man. Shabdon never have to go on so bad man. You know what I mean? And teacher never have to deal with the thing like that. The teacher, why you choke all the man rhythm like that? You not get the rhythm not breathing space, my brother. Oh no, I not see the rhythm get a room for breathe, dog. Teacher, you mean no blood clot when you're ready, you know, man. The man choke all the man rhythm. Have it in a ras clot. Devastator submission all. You know what I mean? The rhythm can't breathe. Our teacher, how you have it underneath? The Gaza stunner. Buckler, that's the first me ever see that, my brother. Man choke all up rhythm like that. Oh, go on. English? What a bad no blood clot, man.
Cold?
Eh? No, I'm not cold. Man, them cold. Not, you know what I mean? I walk going to and come back, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say, I don't know gimmicks business. Teacher choke all the rhythm. You see what I deal with? Yeah, no give no breathing space. The man nasty it up. You see what I say? And then chronicler now. Let me tell you something. Them can't say every and anything about chronicler, you know, my brother. But you see when it come on to lyrics, no boy can't take that from the youth, you know. So when you talk about lyrics, it's when you talk about lyrics and hardcore way. When you say chronicler massacre, you give them youth them respect. Because if anything, them youth they have to go step up to the plate when it comes to lyrics and hardcoreness. You see what I say? Yeah, and some people can go and talk about them stage performance. Gradually, them are going to learn them craft. You see what I deal with? The best thing I for make the foundation right now. And no gimmicks not in it. You see what I say? What kind of idea you have?
Sour lemon.
Hmm?
Sour lemon.
Sour lemon.
Yeah, it's like a lemon kush.
The bum bucket, yeah, as you get some fancy name now, blood clot. I
didn't
don't
pick it.
even know about them shit like that.
I didn't pick it. He just gave it. I asked him too. When he said the same thing, I said too. I said, what? He said sour. I'm gonna try this shit.
Stink all in the through the back to blood clot.
Yeah, this shit smells strong.
I'm going to test it. I'm going to put it on the tester and test it. Oh, what you say? Alright. Yeah, Gaza Nation. You don't know I'm not easy already. You don't know I grade my smoke and I'm not bun beady. You see what I say? I like how the time get cold. I'm a man when I go fuck with the road like that. You see what I deal with? I joke thing. Because when I said cold, some people probably feel like a gimmick stick. I told my strap down properly why I can't even burst my jacket. But my hand them are burn off. And a lollipop thing. Yeah, I tell you, Gaza Nation, the song Overbad, my virgin. And Chronicler, the man murder it. You know what I mean? Lyrics in a overdrive. You see what I deal with? Lyrics are kick out boy teeth. I don't know, joke thing, shabdon, you're the boss. You know what I mean? And nobody can take that from you. You see what I deal with? How you do? A blast up 2020, my brother. And I need a full blast rev. Eh? Shabdon, remember how you start the year, you know, my brother, and nothing normal, you know? And you mean you come do the same thing in the end of the year? You're the general Shabba. I'm doing, man. No boy can't take that from me. You're the general Shabba. No lollipop thing not into it. You see what I deal with? And the world boss, I don't know we get into the man, my brother. I don't know we get into the man, my brother. The way the man chop up the rhythm, my brother, the man I work like same is a grinder machine, dog. We just grind up everything one time, dog. Come like one time, I have some stinking bud we growing at the graveyard. I'm going to drop it now, I'm grind and spin it 2 times, everything come out to dust. I saw the man deal with the rhythm, my brother. Mince it up. You know what I mean? In a sparkling condition. Yo, nah lie, my virgin. That song there, I straight back to next year, that song there going on. You see what I deal with? I remember, you know, instantly that song there going to start trend. You know what I mean? And it's going to be one of the fastest #1. You see what I deal with? Remember me, I tell you, that song there now come off of people playlists, you know. Furthermore, that song there is an anthem. Words of money the man them a sing about. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. Remember the Gaza thing, you know. Always like a brand new thing, you know. Where them can't believe it, you know. You know how much boy I try? And them just can't do it. How much time I have to tell you this Gaza Nation? The last time I link shot the Gaza, pan the Gaza, police chase me down in them jeeps. Arc shot it. F10 star and lay down upon him ninja and a bus all wheelies. Watch. You know no gimmicks not in my game. You know the general, the 10 star one I represent. And you know each and every time I represent, you know the thing go already. A full effect thing. A loud explosion. Every time I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing there. Gaza Nation, make sure I share the video, you know. And I help create the loud explosion out there, you know, because my sister 10 star and I laugh with it. From boy violate Gaza, I'm going to get him head chop off with it. You see what I deal with no gimmicks not in my game. You know what I mean? You know my thing go already. You know what I mean? You know how I set it. I'm a gun me use and make it. You know what I mean? Shabba. I'm going to tell you this, you know, Shabba. Right now, you know, you're gonna lead in a full speed, you know. I don't see it, all my gun see it, you know. No gimmicks not in my game, you know. The whole of Salt Spring know how my thing go already, you know. When it come to Shabba and the Six, them, you know. There's where me are dealing. A vybz cartel you them, you know. And I not joke thing, you know. I not just know, you know. So some boy must feel like say or come up thing, you know. You know what I mean? Why you think the family live so good? You know what I mean? And why you think we share beer food with one another? You know what I mean? A beer food with soup in it. All we do is strain off the soup and I eat beer food. And the general, the 10-star one, I represent Gaza Nation and I know love is in the house. And make certain when time the big thing drop, let me tell you something. We go kartel like ants nest. You hear me I say? Yeah, because I'm a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? The first 2 days it's supposed to trend #1. You know what I mean? As we said, it's supposed to be the fastest #1 collaboration I ever see. This is what I deal with. That shit there, bomber. Nobody can deny it. And all if you not like the man them, you can't deny the song. The song over bad. As me say, to the amount of lyrics we in the song, it could have built 3 more. And I know gimmicks business. The man them never have to pack up the song with so much lyrics. You know what I mean? The man them never have to act so wicked. And Shabba, I don't know where you get them finger there from and I build them tough rhythm them. And you make the artists them kill them local artists. You I try to step up in a class. If you continue build them rhythm in a Shabba, them local artists you here to top them out, them are going to fear those Shabba. Because you can't give vybz cartel and kartel them rhythm here. You know what I mean? Them are going to name it off and not left none for nobody. At the general, the 10-star one I represent. We love money. Shabuski, you know the thing go. What? Yo, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Watch me. Hey, yo, a 10-star, the general.
Wow, how old is he, Fred?
What?